Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your WhatsApp status. So to start, open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, tap the Updates tab in the bottom left corner. Next, under Status at the top left corner, select My Status. Next, open the status you want to check. Now, to view or to see who viewed your WhatsApp status, swipe up on the screen, just like so, and you will see the people who viewed your story or your status. Next method, you can open your status. Next, you can also tap the eye icon in the bottom left corner, and you should see the people who viewed your WhatsApp status. So you'll see a list of people who have viewed your status along with the time they view it.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
And that's basically it. So again, open WhatsApp, then click Updates in the bottom left corner, then click My Status, then click the status you want to see or you want to check, and you can swipe up or you can click this eye icon in the bottom left corner. And that's it. Thank you for watching.